Hello, my friends. Test your knowledge. What animal is in the picture? Cheetah, lion, tiger. Cheetah. Guess the animal. Elephant, rhinoceros, hippo. Rhinoceros. Can you identify this mammal? Bat, squirrel, mouse. Bat. What bird is this? Owl, eagle, stork. Owl. What aquatic animal is this? Shark, dolphin, octopus. Dolphin. What animal is this? Kangaroo, giraffe, camel. Giraffe. Can you guess this animal? Panda bear, raccoon, sloth. Panda bear. Can you guess this animal? Snake, iguana, alligator. Iguana. Guess the predator in the picture. Wolf, fox, coyote. Wolf. What type of big cat is this? Cheetah, lion, jaguar. Lion. What animal is this? Tapir, rhinoceros, hippo. Hippo. What water animal is shown here? Beaver, otter, crocodile. Beaver. What insect is in the picture? Ant, bee, cockroach. Ant. What nocturnal animal is this? Bat, owl, possum. Bat. Guess this type of monkey. Chimpanzee, baboon, gorilla. Chimpanzee. What bird is in this picture? Toucan, parrot, vulture. Toucan. Guess this wild cat? Ocelot, lynx, leopard. Ocelot. What kind of bear is this? Grizzly bear, panda bear, polar bear. Polar bear. What jungle creature is this? Python, anaconda, cobra. Anaconda. Guess the bird in the picture. Penguin, cormorant, pelican. Penguin. What animal is seen here in the savannah? Gazelle, raccoon, wolf. Gazelle. What animal changes its color? Chameleon, iguana, salamander. Chameleon. Guess the Arctic animal. Arctic wolf, polar fox, snowshoe hare. Polar fox. What kind of frog is this? Galapagos green frog, bullfrog. Bullfrog. What forest animal is this? Deer, wild boar, fox. Deer. Guess this aquatic hunter. Alligator, crocodile, water snake. Alligator. What type of big cat is this? Tigers, lions, leopards. Leopards. Guess this rodent. Hamster, beaver, capybara. Capybara. What ocean animal is this? Jellyfish, starfish, squid. Jellyfish. What animal is this giant from the ocean? Whale shark, orca, blue whale. Whale shark. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel.